Assalamu alaikum. Today, the purpose of making this tutorial is to guide you that how can you edit your PDF files and PDF documents by using different softwares. You can use online software as well as the offline software. So today I'm going to explain the one of the offline software which we will be using to edit and annotate our PDF documents and PDF files. So you can use it to check your papers, the online papers which the student has submitted to you. You can use it to check those papers. So the name of the software is PDF Foxit Reader. ठीक है PDF the software is used to annotate the PDF files. So you can also view and edit and annotate the PDF files in the Foxit Reader. So we are going to use Foxit Reader. So let's visit the site of the Foxit software. Foxit. You will type here Foxit Reader. Simply Foxit Reader. Okay, and click on it. Foxit Reader. Okay. Now you can see Foxit Reader. Here is the site of Foxit software. So you can see many softwares are there, but we can choose Foxit Reader download. Okay. You can also use the download link in the description as well. This is here, Foxit download. In the download section, we can see there are different software: Foxit Phantom PDF, Foxit Phantom PDF, Business, Mac, and Standard. We are not going to use these software. Okay? We will use Foxit Phantom. No, Foxit Phantom. We simply use this Foxit reader. Okay, it is very simple and very easy one. So we will have to download it for further task. So first of all, download it, free download. Okay, it will be available free of cost. So we are going to select which operating system we are using, whether it is a Mac, whether it is a Linux or a Windows. So I'm using Windows, so I will choose Windows. And the language which you're going to choose for this software is English. You can select any of the language, English, and then you will click on free download. After clicking, the download will automatically start. Okay, and you can see the download has started. So it will take a little bit of time because the file size is 70.5 MB. So it will take around about 5 to 6 minutes or 4 to 5 minutes, depending on the speed of the internet. So I have already downloaded it. So I will go to into the download section and I will now cancel it. So cancel, and I will just go into the download section of my browser. Okay. You can also see it, it is here in the downloads, and you can also visit your browser download section by pressing Control plus J. Okay, Control plus J, and you will see the Foxit free PDF reader and free video Foxit reader and download PDF software for Windows. I have tried many of them, so I'm going to use Foxit reader for this. It is a history, so I will go into the download section. Okay. Download here. See, I have downloaded the software already, so I will click on show in folder. You will press Ctrl plus J to see this download. Okay. Here the download file is here, so I will install it. You will double click it simply and click yes. The installation of the software is very easy. It will take around about 2 to 3 minutes to install the software. Okay, you can see I will press next and accept. Okay, you will accept this and next, and the folder already exists. Okay, I already have downloaded it and installed it previously, so the folder exists previously as well. So I will click on yes. You will also click on yes. Okay, if it shows and this kind of dialog box. Install a free 14-day trial of Foxit Reader Phantom. Don't install a free 14-day trial of Foxit Reader Phantom. Okay, I will not install Foxit Reader Phantom. So next, okay. Phantom is a 14 days free trial. Um, you can install it as well, but I'm not going to install it. Okay, next. Just wait 5 to 6 seconds for 5 to 6 seconds. After that time it will be completed. Okay, finishing installation. Procedure as the default predictable set. Okay, installing. It is still installing. Okay, you will have to wait for finish. Click on finish and register. I'm not going to register it. Not now. Okay, then I will just close this. Now I will choose my file, the file which I want to annotate or edit or mark of the student. One of the student file which I am going to mark is in the document section, OBA, Open Book Assessment. Okay, of OBA to the file name. I will right click or left click, sorry, and you will click on open with Foxit Reader. Okay, Foxit Reader. Okay. The file has been opened in the Foxit Reader software. You will just resize the window according to your need, according to your demand. Okay, I am resizing it by using this left and right navigation arrows. Okay, you can enlarge it or you can minimize it, this window as well. It depends on you. That's how you want to. Okay, a fit width fit page. You can choose these option as well. Fit page. So you can see fit page. It will fit the whole page onto the one sheet. Okay, you can use fit width. It will fit the width of the page, and fit visible. Fit visible is more clear than. So fit page. I'm using fit page passport. You can use fit width as well. So you can also use these keys to small and to enlarge the window. Will be more. Okay, these are the pages of this document. So I'm enlarging this so that I can check it easily. So this is the assignment of the student. So I am going to check it, mark it. So you can use the tools which you can see here. There are so many tools: highlight and typewriter. You can type any text. Okay, like the in the font which we use in the typing, and you can also annotate it with the other tools as well. You can select the text. You can comment. Okay, you can see comment section. In comment section you can choose pencil to mark this pencil. So I choose pencil, and you can just mark it. Okay, you can mark tick and cross, and you can see you can cross one cross, and after that you can also typewriter and text. So when I use text, okay, text box, you can see text box here. Text box, in text box you can write any of the message for the student. You can say it's long answer. Okay, and you can also resize the text as well. So 16 wrong answer. Wrong answer. After that, actual size, select text. You can also select the text. You can highlight the text as well, and typewriter. You can see typewriter here. So if you click on the typewriter, okay, and its text is, you have to select text. Okay, text and then typewriter. Okay, if you click on typewriter, you can type it here. Any message, anything that you want to show to the student. After that, you can also underline the text as well, and you can also change the font of the text. there are so many fonts which are available, and the alignment as well. You can also align the text which you have written. So here is the text that I have written, and in the comment section you can use pencil or eraser, okay, to erase or to, okay, text and comment pencil. You can see pencil. So you can also change the color of this with the with these keys as well. So there are so many types, so many options which you can use. Okay, fill and sign. Okay, this is a very interesting one. So if you want to sign your document, okay, with your signature, you can also use fill and sign, and you can also use the tools which are available here, perimeter, distance, and other uh, commerce tools which you will not able to use fill and sign. So sign. I'm going to sign this document. Okay. So type the signature or draw the signature. So I will going to draw the signature. So signature. This signature will appear on your document. You can do this signature on your document. So okay. So save. So this feature will be saved here. You can drag this feature and you can also select and sign. So these are tick marks as well. You can use these tick marks. Signature, signature, key to selected, add text, add stamp. You can also predefine text as well, and then signature option. I want to paste this signature. Key to selected. You can see the signature has been pasted here. You can also paste the signature here at the bottom as well. Wherever you want, you will have to keep to selected. Okay, pressing keep to apply or signature. You can also use another signature as well. You can use okay, you can draw signature. If you don't like this signature, you can also draw another signature here. So any of signature which you want to use, you can save. Okay, if there are two signature, you can use any signature. So keep text selected. Okay, keep text selected and then apply. The feature has been applied. So you can use the comment section, view section, form section as well to file. You can attach the file as well. There are so many options you can use. So this is all about this tool. I hope that you have liked this. So if you want to know about any other tool, you can also ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.